Let's say you came across this kind of equation. How do you attempt this kind of equation? As you can see, what we have on the board is a good example of gas law. And as a jambite, if you are just coming across this video, do well to pay max attention to it because it is going to help you a lot. So guys, this question, we are going to employ a particular law, and that gas law we are going to employ is called Boyle's law. But before we employ the Boyle's law, let's read the question together. 30 cm cube of oxygen gas at 10 atm is placed in a 20 cm cube container. Calculate the new pressure if temperature is kept constant. And according to Boyle's law, don't forget that when temperature is constant, the volume is inversely proportional to the pressure. That is, we have P1 V1 equal P2 V2. And don't forget that our P1 is initial pressure, our V1 is initial volume, our P2 is final pressure, while our V2 is final volume. As you can see that I state the Boyle's law that when temperature remains constant, the volume is inversely proportional to its pressure. Now guys, we are going to write out each parameters with respect to the formula we have on the board. So with that, I can say my initial pressure is 10 atm. And note one thing, as far as gas law is concerned, you can find our pressure in millimeter mercury, which is mmHg. We can as well find our pressure in atmosphere, irrespective of how you come across the question. You should be able to tell which one represents the pressure. Are you with me now? So guys, the initial volume is the first volume here, which is 30 cm cube. Then let's take a look at the parameters for our pressure. According to the question, calculate the new pressure to tell us that our final pressure is not given because we are asked to calculate the new pressure. So this is our unknown. Then our final volume is given to be 20 cm cube. Now that we have our parameters, as a jambite out there or our ex-students out there that are just coming across this video, the moment you have written out your parameters, now you have to make our P2 the subject of formula. So guys, if you are to divide both sides by the coefficient of P2, which is V2, this will cancel this. We have P2 equal P1 V1 over V2. Now we can now employ our parameter. So our P1 is taken to be 10 atm multiplied by, what's our V1? We have 30 cm cube divided by 20 cm cube. So this cm cube will cancel the what? The cm cube. Since we are looking for our new pressure, we said 10 atm multiplied by 30, we have 300 atm divided by 20. Divided by 20, we have 15 atm. This is how we are going to justify or you solve your answer. So guys, now that we have our new pressure to be 15 atm, so let's check the option. Option A, we have 6.7 atm. Option B, we have 15 atm. Option C, we have 6 atm. Option D, we have 66 atm. So guys, the correct answer is option B, which is 15 atm. If you are just coming across our video and if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Follow us on our TikTok page. Thanks.